Hey guys, I'm here to show some beautiful sculpture of garden art. You can decor your garden with sculpture like this. Now I'm telling you the most commonly used sculpture technique. The first one is sculpture. This is one of the sculpture techniques that is most familiar to everyone, including those who are unfamiliar with this art from carving, modeling, casting, polishing, other sculpture techniques. So guys, you can use five material in sculpture. You can make sculpture by yourself. The most important of these are stone, wood, metal, clay, and plaster. There are also a number of materials that have only recently come into use. So, guys, you can make these ideas for your garden. Look at beautiful sculpture. Is clay good for plants? Yeah, clay is better for your plants. Clay soil provide a wonderful warm foundation for plants by roots securely in the soil. So guys, you can adopt these ideas. These all are beautiful sculpture of garden. You can make it. Look at beautiful picture of garden. So guys, you can adopt this one. These all are beautiful picture. Guys, you can decor your garden with sculpture like this. These all are very beautiful ideas. You can adopt these all. These all are very beautiful. These all are very beautiful pictures of sculpture. So guys, four main techniques exist in sculpting, carving, assembling, modeling, and casting. So you can adopt these techniques and make your own sculpture.